This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Allene Anderson. Beautiful gently rolling 12.4 acres of private unrestricted land with branch on the backside. Potential mountain views with great building sites for your mountain home or your mini farm. Very nice setting overlooking the neighbor's park-like acreage. End of the road privacy. Perfect location near the Ocoee River for whitewater rafting, horseback riding, hiking, fishing and boating. Convenient travel to Blue Ridge, Georgia, Murphy NC, Chattanooga or Knoxville TN. Additional 9.0 acre adjoining parcel is also available for purchase, MLS 257,827. For more information, review the details below or contact Allene Anderson at 706-632-40.